What's up? Hey George.
Yeah.
Today's the day.
Today is the day.
After 6 days straight of working on this car, and also Miss Baird Dillinger killing the game at Injuku last night with George. I was out at the open house still, but we've already busted a fender and things happened. The EVIT Ingle kit and everything, George just did a test pass, so here's that clip. And it rips pretty good. I'm actually impressed.
For our budget car, it does well.
Yeah, but when you get people here doing this face going, okay, that's when you know we did a decent job. But I'm probably gonna be doing figure eights and donuts, probably nothing serious, just to learn the basics and fundamentals. That way I'm not trying to impress anybody and I can just impress myself, so that sounds good. Other than that, George, we're gonna raise it up a little bit, and then that's about it, right?
Yes.
And then we're gonna have more fun. More fun. Ow. My job today is to hold this FD umbrella that they charged me $40 for. Thanks, FD.
This is the CV axle from the Ferrari.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
From Federico's Ferrari?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
It's a makeshift hammer at this point, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna attempt to raise it up by releasing some spring pressure.
So Alberto is gonna give me a ride in this fully modified E36 compared to our stock one first to do a comparison test. So when I go out there, we'll see how much more I'm struggling.
Nice and smoky. Look at the truck now.
I know, you lit up the whole thing. You know it's good when you start smelling it in the car.
Oh yeah, no, it's the best smell ever.
We're getting close. Just keep going. I'll tell you what. Everybody has to have a joint of air on their own car, you know?
Use them muscles, girl.
Well, that's not good.
You're good. See? You got this? I did this. This is mass destruction of tires and stuff.
Oh, we'll see. It's all good. Got GMG Automotive up in the house. It's all good.
Oh yeah, it's still good to go.
Got Alejandra working on it too. Yeah, look at me. I'm gonna start working on cars now.
We teaching her. Baby steps, right?
You see the one hose that's off right here?
Yep.
See how you can
So basically the plastic broke off right inside of the hose. It just basically, I think the motor might have been torquing up and then it just got hot and the pressure just ended up just cracking it, you know? So
Like y'all said, it's got 300,000.
yeah, it's got, I mean,
Without failing.
yeah, I mean, knock on wood, if this is our only issue this entire event, I'll be happy with this damn car. Good old Betsy came through for us.
Betsy?
Betsy.
Is that the new name?
Betsy the
Betsy
Blue.
the Blue. Oh no.
If you look right here, this is the main inlet from the radiator, and that's the main inlet that goes into the heater core, and then it looks like it comes out and goes through these control valves. So honestly, David, I think what we can do is this, we can take this hose right here that goes back into the motor,
Yeah.
and connect this into that and eliminate the whole heater
And
core.
just call it.
Yeah, it's still got plenty of flex
Do
to
we
it.
just need
It
a
doesn't-
clamp or?
Yeah, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna cut it, or I'm gonna try to get this out first.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna take this hose off of the heater, so we'll get these hoses off. So when can you get these hoses off for me?
Yeah, I can get them off.
And that way we get to this one, David, and we'll just literally just connect these two hoses. So we'll have to go to advanced and get a 90-degree barb.
Okay.
And then we'll cut it short, see? And then we'll just go like that.
2 hours later.
This car has a very shortened second gear. So if you do anything faster than just a small donut, you're gonna be in second gear. But remember, this car is gonna snap to angle faster than your car because Ackerman has the angle kit. So just remember, when this thing goes to, when it flicks out, it's good. You're gonna have to counter steer quick.
Oh my God. Woo! I did a full loop. I can't believe it. Holy shit!
You're killing it. That was first try.
That's first try.
I told you.
I've never done it in this car ever.
Is it easy?
It's like, I know I can get, I can feel myself learning the car.
Okay. When you go, you're like turning way into the turn.
Okay.
Go straight at it and just do like a mild clutch kick. Let the back end kick out and just carry your drift.
Okay. Do I have a cone on me? Okay. Woo!
How's the temperatures looking?
Right in the middle.
Okay.
Woo! Try the other way. Guys, this is easily one of the best beginner platforms ever for drifting. I know that's a statement that most of you already know, but if I can even do a donut, that's amazing. First time ever, so.
Honestly, like for what you're doing, I think you're doing great. Yeah, the transitions are hard, and with E36, there's a lot of grip up on transitions.
Yeah, no, it would snap on me, and then I'd have to add more, and then come out of it.
You just gotta stay on it and just like really pick up.
It's so much fun though. Oh God, what have I done?
I'm so hyped you got in it today.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, keep killing it.
Thank you, Beamer. I don't know what that means. So, first time drifting, kinda, but honestly, what Bear told me is you just can't be scared of the throttle, and you just can't be scared really at all, or you're gonna screw up. But that was so much fun. I just wanted to say that I want to thank her and George for this experience, because without them, this car wouldn't have made it. good job today.
No, thank y'all for having us out here.
It was freaking awesome. I mean, 6 days of building a car and then we ended up here, so pretty rad. As the motor's steaming right now, but it was so worth it.
It's steaming because it's got the leftover
water and
coolant,
stuff like that.
So, but we still have tomorrow too, though.
Oh God.
We still have the firm tomorrow. Hey,
Tomorrow's a road course, so we'll see how that goes. This is the car to learn in.
Oh,
this is the
amazing.
car. Like, with the amount of mods we have, like, it's ridiculous how balanced this
I'm gonna
thing
get a
is.
hood stick. So
Yeah,
can, like-
we need a prop rod. That's the only thing.
Yep.
And I also want to thank my lovely girlfriend because she had to deal with me being gone all the time while we worked on this car for 6 days. So Alejandra killed it. George killed it.
I worked on the car.
Yeah, she did. She put on the wheels. Oh yeah, sick
Wow.
dude. But no, I had an amazing time. I see why people keep doing it. And out of all the motorsports, it's very rewarding. Like when you get your time at the drag strip, it's very rewarding. But usually you have to go through like a ton of lines. You have to wait a long time. But what this is, I went back out there, I tried it again, and am I a pro drifter? Absolutely not. But I feel very happy with what I did today, and that's all that matters. Thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. And I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.